The Innovation Zone is a new feature we're presenting this year at CWIEME Berlin 2025. It's a dedicated space for cutting-edge technology.
We wanted to meet our existing customers and, of course, also new customers.
We are looking for customers in motor business, and we thought this is the right place to be.
I think this is a great space for a pioneering company to be visible. First, the location is absolutely prominent, straight on the Electric Avenue. It's combining with networking space, and they have the opportunity as well to present.
The resonance has been very positive. The people who are coming recognize the value that we could bring, and they see that right away, and the conversations start off at a very high level.
We are learning during this show about what are the trends for the future and how to prepare ourselves for the coming changes.
We have made not only customers but also potential partners. I think that it has been very positive.